Long question answer. Chapter 15, class 7th. Question number 1. State the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. Its answer is the image of the object is upright and of same size. The second characteristic is the image is at the same distance as the object is in front of the mirror. The image moves in the same direction as the object moves. And the third point is the image is always virtual, cannot be obtained on the screen. Question 2. Describe a simple experiment to show that light travels in a straight line. Now answer. Aim is to show that light travels along a straight line. For this activity, materials required 4 cardboard squares with hole through its center. Now table and torch. The procedure: mount cardboard upright on a table in front of a lighted torch so that the light is aimed at the hole of the first square. Set up the cardboard by threading a string through them and then pulling it taut. Now kneel or sit down so that your eyes are at level with the whole of the square DCBA. Observation: we are able to see the light through 4 holes. Now move one of the square so that the holes are no longer lined up. Now we are not able to see the light. Now conclusion of this activity: light travels in a straight line. Children, here you are seeing a diagram. Light is traveling in the straight line. If the any cardboard B or C is disturbed from their position, then the boy is not able to see the torch light because the path of the light, this is straight. Question 3. The colors of the spectrum can be recombined so as to give the effect of white light. How can you demonstrate it? Now, our aim is to see the recombination of 7 colors of the spectrum into white light. For this activity, materials required: white cardboard, compass, protractor, 7 colors in VibGyor sequence and a pencil. Now procedure: take a piece of white cardboard and set the compass at 5 cm radius to draw a 10 cm diameter circle on the cardboard. Cut out the circle using the protractor. Divide the cardboard circle into 7 equal sections, with each section being 51 degree. Color the section in the order of VibGyor. Now thread a pencil through the center of the circle with the point at the bottom. Now spin the disc and now observe. Observation is, you will see that while the top is spinning at a high speed, our eyes are unable to see the colors separately and the circle seems almost white. This is because with fast rotation of the disc, all the 7 colors which you have used becomes mixed together, resulting in a whitish color. Now the conclusion: when the 7 colors of the spectrum combine, white light is produced. Children, now you are seeing Newton disc. In the circular cardboard, 7 colors, these are painted in the form of VibGyor, and when this is rotated at fast speed, all the colors combine and the disc appear white in color.